morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Thursday morning. We've got smokiness in the skies this morning. A lot of smoky haze out there. Eastern Nebraska in particular. There's also, don't be confused because there's also some areas of fog this morning. Some dense fog around the North Platte area to start things off here with a little drizzle to begin our day. So smokiness sticking around today and tonight. Maybe some of that clears out tomorrow with a cold front coming through. That should help to gradually clear things out. So hopefully by the weekend, most of the smoke has cleared. In fact, right now, the weekend, as long as the smoke is out of here, I think we've got a beautiful day in store Saturday, and hopefully Sunday looks like more of the same. But until then, there is an air quality alert that is out through this morning here in eastern Nebraska. The National Weather Service does not issue these out. This is issued by local state agencies, so not all states put these out. In fact, you will never see, at least as of right now, you won't see our Kansas communities ever in one of these because they don't do these. So they issue these out, and then the National Weather Service relays these. But again, they're looking at eastern Nebraska as the thickest fog, or the thickest smoke this morning, where there's more of a concern. So that's why the air quality alert is out until 11 o'clock this morning, or 10:45, depending on where you are there. But hopefully things will get a little bit better later today. Along with that, we have seen mostly clear skies in the east outside of the smokiness. A few clouds in central Nebraska, but your thicker clouds are right in here this morning. There are some areas of fog as well. This will be sweeping eastward as this warm front right here pushes east. If you recall, yesterday we had a cold front push through. It's now well to our south down in Oklahoma. But today a warm front will push east. Here's the noon hour right here, clearing skies out west, warm air. Clouds may be a little stubborn to clear out, but once they do clear out, we'll warm up a little bit farther to the east as well. But right on its tail is the next cold front, already moving through northwest and north central Nebraska by the end of the afternoon, and winds are going to kick up. We could see some gusty winds, gusts up to around 30, 35 miles per hour behind the front. They won't be quite as strong farther south this evening, but could still be quite breezy during the evening hours as that front passes through the rest of the area. An increase in cloud cover, and then a chance of rain later tonight across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Maybe isolated thunder and lightning as well. We'll back this up just a little bit here. Maybe a few thunderstorms in eastern Nebraska there towards Fremont and Omaha. But any kind of stronger thunderstorm activity, I think, will remain off to our east over into Iowa. But again, as we get towards tomorrow morning, still some lingering showers and clouds across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. More clearing the farther north that you go. We are going to see a much cooler day Friday. The clouds and the showers Friday morning will gradually clear on out. More and more sun as the day goes on. Maybe a few extra cumulus clouds across northeast Nebraska. And then Friday night into Saturday morning, skies clear up, and we are going to see a chill in the air to begin our weekend. Some of you, the coolest air we've seen since back in the spring. I mean, we're going to see more of this eventually this fall, but it's going to feel like a cool fall day on Saturday. But actually, Saturday, outside of the chill in the morning, it looks like a really, really nice day, to be honest with you. Now, today is going to be a warmer day, probably for some of us the warmest day this week. We're talking, now again, with the warm front pushing through here first, this is where your warmest temps will be. It pushes through later in the east, so it's going to take a little more time to warm up, but we do get to the mid and upper 70s today, low 80s here, and then mid and upper 80s with your warmest temperatures in southwest portions of Nebraska. Northwest Nebraska, it will be warm today, but late this afternoon, here comes the cold front, and that's going to kick those winds up. So I could see some gusts, 30, 35 miles per hour right in here later on today. But we still do get up into the upper 70s and low to mid 80s this afternoon. The hottest air, the warmest air, southwest Nebraska, upper 80s, near 90 in Benkelman. A lot more sun after some early clouds and fog clear out. Low 80s right in here as the front takes a little more time moving through. And then it's mid to upper 70s in the east and southeast here, maybe near 80 around Superior, Mankato, and Red Cloud. But then we're mostly talking about mid and upper 70s though here to the east with the clouds eventually giving way to some sun later this afternoon. Mid and upper 70s in the northeast. And again, a little more wind with that that cold front approaching and moving in late this afternoon in northern portions of the area here. So there's a look at today's forecast. Let's dig into tonight. That chillier air starting to sink southward. So mid and upper 40s up north, low 40s around Gordon, low and mid 50s farther to the south. And look at the coolness to come. Friday's highs only in the mid to upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. And then check this out. The chilliest night ahead is Friday night to Saturday morning. Some mid 30s in northwest Nebraska. Most of us will dip back into the upper 30s and low to mid 40s. Now, not cold enough for frost. Don't have to worry about the plants or anything like that. But still, there will be a chill in the air to start off our Saturday. But Saturday looks beautiful right now. if you are a fan of fall weather, say late September, early October, Saturday is the day for you. Upper 60s, low to mid 70s, maybe a couple of upper 70s out there. Saturday night, still kind of chilly as well, but you know what? Saturday evening looks wonderful in Lincoln. The first Husker home game of the season, taking on the Akron Zips. Not a repeat of 7 years ago. If you recall, that was Scott Frost. Well, was supposed to be his first game as Husker head coach. Well, of course, that game got canceled as soon as the kickoff happened. So that will not be the case Saturday evening in Lincoln. The weather looks great. Maybe a light jacket. Tailgating, it'll be in the low 70s, upper 60s, low 70s. The weather looks fantastic. Barely any wind, clear skies as the sun goes down just after halftime or during halftime, and we'll be mostly in the 60s most of the game. But later in the night and into Sunday morning, we'll be down again, upper 30s up north, 40s, and then some low 50s in the south. So a little chilly again Sunday morning, but Sunday looks wonderful. Upper 60s and low to mid 70s. A couple of more clouds around than Saturday, but still, Sunday looks like a really nice day as well. Let's look at that extended outlook. Those that are wanting summer to stick around, well, the good news is that will come next week. Again, after a warmer day today, a warmer afternoon, and some sun this afternoon, slight chance of rain tonight, tomorrow morning, cooler weather tomorrow, chilly Friday night to Saturday morning. Beautiful weekend weather, still a little chilly Saturday night to Sunday morning. And then here comes the warmer air next week. There are some hit or miss chances of rain and isolated thunderstorms Monday morning, Monday night, and Tuesday morning, and again Tuesday late day. But small chances right now. We will trend warmer though next week as we get back into the low and mid 80s. Maybe a sign of a cool down towards next Saturday. There are some signs of a slight cool down next weekend. North Platte, you're up in the 80s today, back down to 70 tomorrow. A little fog that has to burn off this morning, giving way to some sun late this morning into the afternoon. Slight chance of rain later tonight into tomorrow morning. Cool tomorrow and chilly Saturday morning down to 40. But a beautiful weekend ahead with low and mid 70s. Still kind of a chill on Sunday morning, but then we warm up next week. Those lows and highs both warming up. We're back to the low and mid 80s. I did not include rain chances for you right now for Monday and Tuesday. It looks like those chances are more to your east. They're very hit or miss anyway, so most places aren't going to see much with that here. After the cool down, again, we do warm up next week. A lot of low and mid 80s, maybe a slight cool down as we get towards next weekend, at least next Saturday, maybe upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you all again on a much cooler Friday ahead. Talk to you later. Take care and God bless. Bye.